Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox Lenovo Thinkplus LivePods XT81. It's a gaming headset in unique style. So let's unbox and check what we found inside the box. So let's unbox this one. So inside we found one QC certificate. This QC certificate, one manual for Lenovo Thinkplus LivePods XT81, which is in English and Chinese, one charging cable which is type C. Its charging interface is type C. So this is the case of this XT81. Let's unbox and check. Oh wow, it's amazing. So as you can see, backside here mention Lenovo logo. This is the charging interface of this earbuds. Here showing you the green LED status. This is the opening of this XT81. This is earbuds. Its box is heavier, but this earbud is very lightweight. Let's check its charging. How to charge this case. When I connect on this charging, its green LED start blinking. It means this case on charging. When this light will disappear, it means this box fully charged. Like this you can charge this TWS case. And this is the earbuds. Backside have Lenovo logo mentioned. So let's talk about its specification. As you can see, Lenovo Thinkplus LivePods XT81. Its transmission distance 10 meter. It means from device to this Bluetooth should be in between 10 meter range. Its battery capacity is 30 mAh. Earbuds battery capacity is 30 mAh. Its usage time up to 4 hours. It will give you backup time maximum. And charging time, this earbuds charging time 1 hour, and its input is 5 volt and 330 mAh its input. And this case specification is its battery is 250 mAh. It means it will give you up to maximum 20 hour backup time with the help of this case. And its this case charging time is 1.5 hour. And its input rating is 5 volt and 250 mAh. So it means you can use any your smartphone charger for charge this case. So this is the specification of this Lenovo XT81. Let's connect with our smartphone and check how we can connect this with our smartphone. For connecting smartphone, you need to open your Bluetooth setting and scan for new devices. For pairing, you need to remove this earbud from the case. I scan and I remove earbud from the case and searching for new devices. Here showing me Lenovo Thinkplus 81. When I click on this one, it will ask me pairing permission. I will accept pair this one. You can see connected for call and audio, 90% battery remaining. It's mean like this way you can connect this TWS to your smartphone. And about this sound quality, sound is not very bad, not very good. It's in between middle, because in this price range it's okay. Its calling and sound quality is okay, not very bad. I buy this one from AliExpress. If you like, you can buy through AliExpress. I will give you link in description. So this is the all about Lenovo Thinkplus LivePod XT81. Hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep supporting guys. Thanks for watching.